parang wala naman din mawawala sa akin pag ginawa ko yun. Besides, hindi naman niya ako nahahawakan. They can only just see me, watch me, but they can't hold me. When I was working in a telecommunications company, of course, yung sweldo, medyo okay lang. I suddenly decided to go back home because I'm planning to go back to school, but financially, I am so desperate about it since the university is too expensive. I started working as a cyber sex performer. A friend told me about it. Then I decided to get my passport as a requirement for registration for the said site. And then after that, I just followed the instruction online and then successfully na-register ako. When I'm already online, and then of course, yung mga services na ma-offer or sometimes being requested, marami. Depende yun sa anong kaya mong gawin. You have this free chat and private chat. Sa free chat, you can do just teasing, magpa-cute lang muna, yung sexy, without showing any private parts. Or you can show private parts in free chat if the customer or the client will, or member of the site will give you a tip. So, yung mga tip, may iba-ibang levels yan. From $1 up to $5. Depende. At saka, on the free chat too, dun pa lang, may request na. Pag kaya mong gawin doon sa free chat, pag sinabing, oo, I can do that, they will buy for a private chat. Dun na, dapat, you must do that on private chat on what you have said on the free chat para ma-meet ang expectation ng customer because you have to please them, right? My God, you have to do it from the basic thing to the worst thing. But for me, based on my experience, the worst thing that I did was I drink my own pee and I eat my own cum. Yes, and then play with my with toys, of course. Iba talaga pag online na. Kasi the sexual pleasure is different. Since, ikaw lang yung nakikita and you only, nag-uusap kayo through chat. I mean, paano ba? Gusto niya na ganito. Gusto niya magubad ako. Gusto niya na tumigas yung he wants to see me doing things. I mean, it's so awkward. And it's so, unusual for me kasi syempre ako lang mag-isa para akong tanga, parang ganun, at saka di ko yung ginagawa the usual, diba, parang bago sa akin lahat. Pagbaguhan ka, you have this lower rate, like it's about $1 per minute. Then ang duration nun is after 4 hours as a performer. Okay, pwedeng tagi-tagi, like 2 hours today, 2 hours tomorrow. Okay, then after that, magle-level up ka na to $2 per minute. I chose na $2 lang per minute kasi siyempre para mas saleable kasi mas mababa yung presyo. Pero pag gumanda na ako ng pag litokada na okay na siguro $5 per minute. And then salary are being sent through card, yung parang ATM, Mastercard, Visa card na. May nakita ako or napanood ako sa news about yung nire-raid na mga ganito. For me, of course, syempre kinakabahan din ako. But, iniisip ko na, ay ganito pala. Okay, kaya sila ni-raid kasi ginagawa nilang business. At saka, they're using minors to perform online, which is offense din kasi bata, underage, at saka negosyo. Unlike me, I consider it as a private thing for me since I'm doing solo. Para bang, okay, nobody cares if I'm inside my room since it is my room inside our house. So I'm doing a private thing. And since wala naman ako piniperwish yung iba, I know morality, spirituality, it's bad. I mean, it is been taught in school. Pero for me, as long as wala ako inaapakan tao or kumikita ako kasi may ginagawa ako. I mean, effort din yan. May pagod din. May manapundan ako mga gamit. And then, education first. I was able to finish my degree on Bachelor of Science in Management in Ateneo de Davao University. I don't have plans of going back pa since I just graduated in college, ganon. So, I better, parang, for now, ang mindset ko is to find for a decent job. Yung sa mga iba na yung walang trabaho, na gustong kumita ng pera, kung meron talagang alternative, doon na lang muna.